welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get back archived stories on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Instagram app, and once you open it, go to your profile. Once you're in your profile section, simply tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the corner, and once you're here, you need to simply scroll down and tap on archive. So these are all your story archives. So you can see them according to dates and years as well, or according to your location as well. So to view or retrieve archived Instagram stories, simply open all these archives that you want to retrieve, and once you tap on it, you can simply share them as a new story or even store them as a highlight. So you can do so, but you cannot unarchive them to their original state after 24 hours. So this is how you can get back archive stories on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.